Hello, my name is Pooja. And today I want to share with you a product that really delivered on its promises. I had a huge problem with my septic tank at my house. The smell was so bad that my family and I couldn't even enjoy our backyard anymore. I was looking for something more economical because every time I called the fire department or plumber to clean it, I spent a fortune. I bought several products, but they didn't solve anything, only promises that they would work. That was until I ran into a friend who referred me to SEPTIFIX. He had fantastic results with it. But he gave me a very important alert. Do only buy SEPTIFIX on the official website so as not to be deceived. I bought it on the site he indicated to me, and the result was wonderful. I have a very important alert to tell you. There are several brands on the market that do not work. Be careful to buy the original brand on the official website to help you. And now I will explain why this product is so effective. SEPTIFIX has solved all of my septic tank problems. I know this may sound far-fetched to you and even impossible. But that's what thousands of septic tank owners across the US are experiencing after using SEPTIFIX every month. SEPTIFIX tablets are septic tank treatment tablets that are solid, environmentally safe, and release oxygen. Once you throw them down the toilet, they will easily solve all your septic tank problems. When they arrive at your septic tank, they reduce and then eliminate noxious odors, the smell extremely fast in just 3 to 5 days. They decompose and eliminate all organic sludge from septic tanks, including natural oils, grease, and organic hydrocarbons. They destroy all the bad anaerobic bacteria like E. coli or salmonella and other harmful pathogens that are usually found in septic tanks and can cause a lot of health problems for your family. You won't have to worry about calling the fire department or a plumber to fix it. And look, I saved a lot of dollars in 2 years that I've been using it. I highly recommend it. But again, I want to warn you, only buy from the official website. Be very careful, there are other ineffective products on the market. To help you, I recommend that you only buy on the official website, which is below the video. And I want to tell you that it has an excellent promotion. I even took advantage and bought some more SEPTIFIX pills. I highly recommend it. SEPTIFIX, save $150 by choosing the 18-month supply pack below or whichever pack works best for you. Claim your exclusive offer while supplies last. I hope I helped you with my testimonial. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel because I always make videos of wonderful products. Thanks so much for watching the video this far. Please like and subscribe if seems the video helpful to you.